use Move tool to move a layer or selection in Adobe Photoshop. Let's see how that works. To do that, let's first import an image as a layer. So click and drag this image into your canvas. You have to first reduce the size of this layer a little bit to this size. Click on this to save that layer. So now that you save that layer, we can have a multiplication of this by clicking Ctrl J. Now the first function of this tool is to move this layer. So click and drag on this to move this layer to a side. Ctrl J again to duplicate this. Click and drag to move it to another portion of this. Now if you observe, you realize if you are using latest Adobe Photoshop, you have this snapping option when you are moving your layer, indicating the center, the vertical center, the horizontal center, and edge of other layers around. That will help you in making a quick placement of your layer or selection. You can also make use of Move tool to make selection in Adobe Photoshop, and that's the function of this auto select. If this is off, it means whenever I click and drag, I'm going to move just any layer that is selected from this portion of Adobe Photoshop. But if I activated this to on, it's going to now have the function of the moment I select on this image and move it, it's going to actually auto select that layer and move it. Click on this and move it, it's going to auto select that and move it. Another thing is the transform control. Transform control serves as a control to rescale, to rotate, and add some other changes to your layers. So if this is on, it's going to show these anchors that you are going to use to control how your layer is. I can resize this up, I can rotate this, and I can actually make use of this to make some input. For example, I'll say I want 45-degree rotation, I want 60-degree rotation, depending on actually what you want. In placement and everything, you have the total control of how you want that to be. For now, let's disable the auto. Let's disable the show transform control. Now that this is off, we have the total layers as arranged as this. Ctrl Z to undo, Ctrl Z to undo. Now we have all layers placed as before. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the use of this Move tool to align your selection. I can actually click and drag to make selection of all these layers here. Now click on this to center everything horizontally. Now you have this total alignment horizontally. If you click on this, you have the alignment to the left side. Ctrl Z. Click on this, you have the alignment to the right hand side. You have more functions of alignment from these drop down options that you can be able to see and test how it's going to be. And then finally, Ctrl Z, we have another function of